Removing paper jams in the HP PageWide XL F40 folder for HP PageWide XL printer series. The process to remove a jam begins when the front panel alerts to an issue and starts the wizard to show where the jam is and how to fix it. The Resolution Center will indicate the location of the jam in the folder. Tap the Check button to see if the problem's been successfully fixed. Paper jams, depending on their location, may need a little more investigation and be removed manually. First, I'll take a look at clearing a jam in the folder input area. I need to disengage the printer from the folder. If necessary, I cut the paper between the printer and the folder and remove the paper from the folder input. The printer resumes the job and automatically reprints any missing pages. Next, I'll take a look at paper jams in the fan folding path. I move the rollers to release the paper and pull the paper out, ensuring that the metal ball bearings remain in place. I close the fan folding cover. I check whether there's any paper left in the fan area on the folder's output side and remove any remaining pieces of paper inside. Let's finally take a look at how to remedy a paper jam on the cross-folding path. I begin by opening the top cross-folding cover and removing any paper inside. I close the top cross-folding cover and check the front panel to see if the paper jam has been cleared. If not, I need to open the lateral access door and remove any paper that's inside. The front panel will indicate if the printer is ready for paper. By carrying out these steps, you can ensure that your HP PageWide XL F40 folder runs smoothly.